Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how you can start making money online right now, even if you have zero skills. Now, this method is an awesome way, especially if you're a beginner and just trying to jump in on how maybe you can make some side cash with your current job. And some of the people that actually do this have earned over $22,000 just off one gig. And now what a gig is simply a job that someone asks you to do. Whether it is on the online world, let's say I'm asking you to create a YouTube thumbnail, or I'm asking you to create a Facebook cover, or I'm asking you to remove a background. People will pay you to do these gigs, but don't worry, you don't need any skill. I'm going to share with you guys a website that's pretty much going to do it all for you. All you have to do is click, move a couple things. It is easy to do. Watch this video till the end so you can see how you can go step by step on how you can create a gig, how you can find the website where you're going to do different gigs. I'll show you exactly which gig you're going to choose. And the great thing with this is you can do over 7 different gigs. So if you did want to earn more money with other ideas, you can. So the place that we're going to represent our business online is a place called Fiverr. I don't know if you've heard of it, but it is a freelance website that allows people to find certain people to do specific jobs. So we jump into my computer right here. It's called fiverr.com. Really cool website. If you need different services, when you need like a thumbnail, maybe you need a book cover, maybe you need to make some lead magnets, but you can actually work for Fiverr. And the reason I really like people starting with Fiverr is because you don't have to do any of the marketing. They're bringing in over thousands, if not millions of people per week, per month on this site. All you have to do is create a gig. Now you said, you're thinking in your head, hey, Levant, I don't have any skills. I don't have any technical skills. Don't worry, I got you. I got a site that's going to pretty much do it all for you. And generally when people ask for gigs, they're going to tell you specifically what they want. Now, the gig we're going to be doing in this example is called something called Facebook covers. Now, with everyone starting online businesses, they're having Facebook groups, they're making tons of money, and they don't have any technical skills. They are outsourcing this to other people to do it. So if we scroll down here on the bottom, you're going to see different gigs. You're going to see the potential that people are making. So we got one person here. They charge $25 for one gig, and they've done over 976 gigs on their one account. So if we pull up the calculator, just off this one gig, this person was able to earn close to $24,400, depending on what some of the fees are. But that's pretty nice. Imagine making that type of money on the side. And that is one extreme. Even if you're able to get 1, 2, 3, 4, even 10 gigs at 25 bucks, that's going to be some serious cash you're going to be able to do, because Fiverr is going to do all the work for you. They're going to find the customer. The customer is going to tell you exactly what type of logo. They're going to bring the logo and all that good stuff. So don't worry. So what you're going to do is, let's go in here. I'll show you an example. So this person charges $25 for their standard package. You can even do basic, or I guess standard's called deluxe here, $70. And they even have a premium for $195 off one job. That's crazy. But let's just go with the basic. You're going to see the different little ideas this person shows. They're going to show some of their examples of work. It's basically what you see on the front of a Facebook cover, like you see on your phone here. Now, the trick is you don't have any skills. You don't really know how to make a Facebook cover. Well, don't worry. We're going to go to a site called Placeit.net. And the cool thing with this site is everything is plug and play. So once you're actually on Placeit.net, you're going to see different things you can create: mock-ups, designs, logos, videos, gaming. So if you even get different ideas for different gigs, let's say you want to create, someone's looking for a logo, you can create a logo here. Very cool ideas depending on their niche. They got clothing and beauty, education and arts, finance and legal. But since we're doing Facebook covers, what you need to do is go down here to videos. We're going to click social video, or let's just go to designs. We'll go to social media. You're going to have banner ads. You can do some Instagram posts. But we're going to do right here, Facebook covers. And all you're going to do is simply click this. On your left-hand side, they're going to have tons of different templates. So generally, when they come out with a gig, they're going to come to you and say, hey, what's up? I have a beauty niche. Let's go, depending, or maybe I have pets or animals. So all you're going to do is pick whatever the topic is, the template you're going to do. Let's use this urban trend. It's a minimalist one. I actually kind of like it. You're going to simply click it, and it's going to load up for you, and it's going to do all the work for you. On the left-hand side, you can change the text. Let's just say we're making it for us, million rise. You can see how easy that pops up. You can move it around. You can make it large. You can make it big. I mean, you don't have to be an expert. All you have to be able to do is use a mouse. You can play around with it. We can use the different colors on the background. We can even change the type of font we want to use. We can change the background. Let's say we want to update the logo. They sent us a logo. We'd be able to send it through here and show the logo. We can even add images on the right hand side. So here we have different pictures. Let's say it's with a lady. We can pop it right here to update logo. We can change the image. We can even upload images that the people have actually sent us. And you can reset the layout. You can move this. You can change the background banner color. Let's say they tell you I want it in green, because they're going to give you all the type of templates, the stuff that you're going to need. Let's change the color of that. We can change it black, but you get the idea. It's pretty much just plug and play. There's nothing to do. You can even add another text. So let's say you want to, change it up, get a little creative, but you don't need to be great at Adobe Art. You just got to be able to click and move some of the stuff. It's that easy. And then whenever you're ready to go and you have it, and you can, send it to the person on Fiverr. You'll say, hey, do you guys like this? You can even charge them more to do what they like to call revisions, where it's just maybe they said, hey, that red color in the background, I prefer it to be blue. I prefer it to be black. You can revise it. And then you can say, hey, you get 3 free revisions, maybe to get people to buy your gig. And then after the third one, you say each new one could be maybe $5. Great way to upsell people. And then all you have to do really is save draft. You can download it. And there's tons of different ideas, guys. You don't even have to use that one template. We can go here and we can see some other ideas. They have some really cool ones. They even have some that are kind of like video, which is pretty cool. So if you want to charge people more, you don't have to know how to do this whole video, and it's going to share with you exactly how you can do it. You can do some of these cool ones. If we go to social media Facebook covers, these will actually move for you, so they're a little bit more intense. We'll go down here. You'll see how you're going to get this nice, and we can change the colors, change it to black, change the print, change the name, but you kind of get the idea of the whole game of how you can easily make money online by using Fiverr, by putting your gig up there, putting the price you want to do, and then use a website like that to simply point click, move the fonts, move the background. Because you'll see in some of these Facebook covers, they're not like amazing. When I say not amazing, it's just as good as here, where you're going to be able to move it around. So here's some like examples. These are photos. You can even get photos off the internet and put on here. They got Travel Onward, Groove, Boss Traders, and this person is charging $35, even higher than another one. And they have they've done 1,074 gigs. So you can tell that this type of work is in high demand. It's one of the easiest ways that I find, especially if you're new, you're trying to make money online. It's a great side hustle, because if you do have a job, Fiverr will pretty much tell you, hey, this customer is looking for a Facebook cover. How long is it going to take you to do it? You jump and place it. Generally, once you get used to it, maybe the first couple times, you can play around with it. Take you 15 to 20 minutes, but right now I could pop them out probably in 5 minutes. I got the logo. They're going to tell me the color design. I'll mess around it. I'll even use a little bit of my creativity. But the cool thing is you don't have to use Adobe. You don't have to be a professional of how, you're closing the font, making all these crazy images. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out some other videos down below, where I'll be sharing with you guys different ideas, different ways, different side hustles, how you can start making money online now. So till the next one, guys, peace.